let's take a look on how we can find the area of this shaded region. And this region is bounded by two parabolas. And these two parabolas are both open sideways. Notice that the x is being isolated, and we have x is in terms of y. So x is a function of y. In such a situation, whenever you have a function that's open like sideways, we should do the rectangle horizontally. So we're going to set out a rectangle like this, and the base, it's going to be dy, because the base is just a small change in the y-axis. And this is how the integral is going to work. It's going to be the beginning y value and the ending y value. So it's going to be the intersections, but we're looking for the y value here. And we'll look at which function is on the right minus which function is on the left. And then we're doing this with respect to dy. So, as you can see, based on the graph that we have already, the curve in red, it's exactly on the right, right? Because this right here is on the right, and then the blue is on the left, right? So I'm going to set up this. This is going to be 2y minus y squared, the red curve, right? And then we will subtract the curve in blue. That's the one on the left. So subtract y squared minus 4y. And we have the dy right here. And right here, this is from 0 because the intersection is at 0, 0. So the y value starts at 0. And then we go up. And this is another intersection. And we only care about the y value. So y begins at 0 up to y ending at 3. And now this will be the integrals that we need to use to find the area of that region. Let's see if there's anything we can combine in terms before we can integrate, before we can do the reverse power rule. Here we have 2y minus y squared. We have the minus, so perhaps let me distribute the negative into the parentheses. Minus y squared minus minus becomes plus 4y. And negative y squared minus y squared give us the negative 2y squared. 2y plus 4y give us the 6y. We haven't done the integral yet. This is just 0 to 3 with this dy. Do the power rule backwards. Add 1 to the exponent, which is 3, and divide by 3. We get negative 2/3 y to the third power. And this is going to be 6y to the first. Let me add 1 to the exponent, which is 2, and I will divide it by 2. 6 over 2 is 3. We have 3y squared. This right here is the antiderivative of that. And then I just have to plug in values. Plugging 3 into all the y's first, and then subtract, plugging 0 into all the y's. So we have negative 2/3 times 3 to the third power, when y is equal to 3, plus 3 times y, which is 3. So 3 times 3 squared minus plugging 0, and you can guess that everything is going to turn out to be 0 right here. So this is gone already. And only thing you need to do is right here. 3 to the third power is 27. 27 times negative 2/3, you get negative 18. Right here, this is 3 squared, which is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And all we are doing is negative 18 plus 27, which the answer will be 9. And that's it. The most important part will be the setup, and then know which kind of dy or dx to use for the integrals. This is it.